In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set shipping rates per item on Shopify, whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your existing setup. Understanding how to configure shipping can make a significant difference in how you operate your online store. First up, we need to access the shipping settings on your Shopify store. To do this, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, head over to the settings section. Here you'll find shipping and delivery. Click on that. You'll see an option to manage rates next to your existing shipping profile. This is where we'll make all our changes. Now, let's dive into creating a custom shipping rate. Within your chosen shipping zone, you'll see a button labeled Add Rate. Click on it and give your new rate a name that makes sense for you, like Standard Shipping. Next, set the price for a single item. This initial charge will be your base rate and is crucial for covering basic shipping costs. When it comes to handling combined shipping for multiple items, Shopify's default flat rate system does have its limitations. It doesn't natively support per-item pricing for additional quantities. That said, we have a couple of options to work with. One approach is to use weight-based shipping. By assigning different weights to your products, you can establish shipping rules that increase costs for heavier orders, simulating a per-item strategy. Alternatively, consider exploring Shopify apps that specialize in quantity-based shipping. Apps like ShipMagic can provide the per-item calculations you might be looking for, giving you more flexibility. Lastly, if you're using a carrier like USPS or UPS, integrating their services can bring in more detailed, destination-based rates, particularly useful for precise weight calculations. Once you've configured your rates to your satisfaction, it's crucial to save your changes. This will ensure that all your hard work goes live and is accurately reflected in your storefront. Let's not forget some important considerations. First, make sure your shipping zones are correctly set up. This is essential to reach the appropriate locations with your newly configured rates. Additionally, double-check that your shipping profile is applied to the correct products. This step ensures that the right rates are applied at checkout, leaving no room for surprises. Finally, before you set your store loose into the world, conduct a full test of your shipping rates. This is your chance to confirm that everything works just as you anticipated, all the way through the checkout process. With these steps, you're now equipped to configure shipping rates per item on Shopify with confidence, enhancing both your operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!